What's up, Facebook? It's Chrissy. Today I'm going to do a video about what I've been seeing this week on Facebook. Sometimes I wonder if these girls have mommy and daddies watching these videos. I'm not judging nobody, but really, really?
TC represent for the TV show called The Selector. You don't know because I'm a happy selector, DJ Banker, and him say girl forget food and money. Well, I don't know me have the hottest dancer road where everybody at about all over the globe. Walk like a dog and cock up and piss.
Walk like a dog, walk like a dog, walk like a dog, then you cock up and piss. Walk like a dog, walk like a dog, walk like a dog, then you cock up and piss. Walk like a dog, walk like a dog, walk like a dog, then you cock up and piss. Piss, 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 piss.
Right now, the hottest dance in a dance hall right now, done by one girl named TC. Walk like a dog and cock up and piss. Make your ass up, make your ass up. That's a dance, that's a mash up. Pull out a line in the mud part right here. TC, go down now, TC.
Walk like a dog, walk like a dog, walk like a dog, then you cock up and piss.
And truly, that's how it is gonna be.
Y'all pussy get a medal. Wine and pedal. tight pussy.
I just wanna love you, baby. I'm whining on my face, come whining on my face. Big body girl, come whining on my face, come whining on my face, come whining on my face. Fat pussy girl, come whining on my face, come whining on my face, come whining on my face. Cock up your ass and whining on my face.
To be in Jamaica, nobody could have been talking about suck pussy on the road without get beat up. Like, for reals, if you ever do them things there, it's okay, but I don't know what to say. You're the only one who can judge. I'm not even buying I'm not even buying music no more. I'm confused. I can't even make a sentence what I really feel about this right now. I cannot.
Girl, come see me now. My girl, come for me now. Beg you be me company now.
This is how females show their vaginas on videos to maybe make people notice them more. I'm not saying that I didn't been through phases in my life though, but really, I don't know what was going through these young girls' brain, but maybe, I don't even know. I think maybe if they get a job tomorrow, people won't take them seriously, because all they are remembered for maybe is these videos coming out on Facebook these days, and even YouTube, and these music videos. Well, I wish everybody the best of luck in their lives. I'll see you later. Love song.
Shawty was good, girl, what's happening? Feeling your team, now to send it to the captain. Baby, what you drinking? Let me buy you round. Tell me what it is, baby, holla at me now. She say she new in town, just moved down. Trying to find a man that can show a girl around.